Got your test coming up, and I want to give you a couple of things, a little bit of advice, a few little tips maybe that are going to help you on the day, which will hopefully give you the difference between passing and failing. You're in a position where your test is maybe next week or even next month, and at that point you should be good at all your driving test manoeuvres. You shouldn't have a problem with them. You should be good at your roundabouts, your junctions, your meeting situations, your hill starts, and you should be practicing them questions, because in the UK you're going to get asked questions, aren't you? One at the beginning and one when you're driving. If you don't know what they are, I'll put a description, link in the description for you, and I might even put a video at the top for you at the same time, just to kind of give you an idea what they are if you're not sure what they are. But if you know what they are, then fantastic. But if you're good at all them things I've just mentioned, then fantastic, because when you go into that test, you want to be confident. You want to be confident that you know these things, and it's not on your mind worrying about it, because if it is, it's going to affect you. And the only advice I can give to you, if there's one manoeuvre that you're not good at, get practicing it, because it's like you can almost guarantee it's going to come up on your test. It's like sod's law, isn't it? One of them things where I'm good at 3, but that 4th one I'm not going to try it because I'm worried about it. I'm going to leave it alone, and that one comes up on your test, and then you think, oh God, why don't I just practice it on the day? So get practicing any manoeuvre that you're not good at, and that'll give you the confidence. Doesn't have to be perfect. As long as it's safe and it's within what they want, then you're going to be fine, aren't you? And the other stuff, which is you're good at, you're going to be fine. And you've got to go in there knowing that you're going to be fine. And know this, that the examiner's not expecting you to drive like someone who's on the road who's been driving for 10, 15 years. What they want to see off you is a driver who can drive safely within the legal limits, not driving like a granny where they're driving like 20 mile an hour under the speed limit when it should be a reasonable speed, and can interact with other drivers safely, so and anticipate of what other drivers are doing, because you know what it's like on the roads. There's lots of people out there who are going to bend the rules to suit them, and if you can spot them bending the rules, and a good example is you're going right at a roundabout and you can see a car who's coming round on your left, but he's not giving way to you, he's not even slowing down, and you know what's going to happen there. You're going to slow down and anticipate the fact that he's going to shoot across you, and that's fine. That's you using your experience and common sense kicking in. Clear on your right, but that guy on the left is not stopping for anyone, so I'm going to slow down for it, because even if you pull out, it could cause a problem for you, couldn't it? So that's what they want to see, a good, safe driver who's confident, who understands what they want to achieve, understands safety, not breaking the law. Okay? Good luck on them roads, and hope it goes well on the test for you. Safe driving.